This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Heather Tarantino. Open house Tuesday 4 nights from 3 to 6. Discover the perfect blend of luxury and tranquility in this stunning 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom residence, nestled in a picturesque neighborhood close to the lake and shopping. Get to know the neighbors at the community pool and events. Plan your next gathering on the oversized entertainment deck with a large backyard that backs up to serene woods. This home offers the ultimate retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Tarantino at 865-966-1111.